Welcome to Wall Street Syndicate, where we don't chase stocks, we find them. Every day, we uncover high conviction buy opportunities, breakout setups, and hidden gems before the crowd even catches on. If you're ready to stay one step ahead of the market, hit that subscribe button and let's find out what I got for you all. Today, it is Civista Bank. This stock currently is breaking out. We're going to see if it's going to make all-time highs for the next couple of months, because right now what we're looking at is only 3 months chart. And it looks bullish. Let me show you the reason why it looks bullish and why we're going to predict. Yes, probably one of the only channels on YouTube that is actually predicting where we expect prices to go. We're predicting that it's going to go up. So first things first, you guys can see on the 3 months time frame that there was an area that buyers were having problems with in Civista Bank, right? Look at that. This market was acting as resistance back in 2018 and a second time in 2021. But look what happened this time. What's going on now? The market broke out of that area. Massive clue, massive signal lets us know that this market is primed for a continuation of higher prices. Second thing, this market in Civista Bank on the 3 months chart, look at what it's doing. It's making higher lows, telling us that this market is being controlled by the buyers, not the sellers, the buyers. And when you put these two together, you get this, an ascending triangle that is trying to break out. Pretty much that's it. We're looking for the stock to go higher off of the 3 months time frame. And then what do you know? Our own software on the 3 months chart, which you rarely see signals, is giving us a buy. That's strike 3. So we're going to look for the stock to go higher. You can see as I zoom out just a little bit that this market has already came to this area here, a high of like 35, 36 bucks. We've seen price hit that before. That was all the way back in 2003. Some of you all probably wasn't even born then. And then the first one was 1998. It's the second all-time high. That's his all-time high in the market for Civista Bank. We're going to target those areas. Now, depending on time frame horizon, you might got to give the market that much time, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, a year, to see if it's going to have enough momentum to break out to those prices. The volume is extenuating. Look at that climactic volume. This is enough fuel for this stock to continue to break out and go higher. Okay. So let me do this. We are going to go ahead and drop a prediction on here. Looking for this market in Civista Bank to go up. Before I do, I want us to actually pinpoint where the market is buying. Okay, so that's an area there. Here's another area here in Civista Bank. And let's do one more. There's another one too right here, but I'm not going to draw that. Well, maybe I should, just so you guys can see. Okay, this is on the daily chart. Okay. So we got those positions as to where we think our teammates are at. Since we're predicting that this stock is going to go up, these are our teammates down here. If the market ever goes down, we don't want to see this stock break those areas, because if it does, then we might be in some trouble. Okay. Now, this is where the competition is. So let me go ahead and create this areas as to where these sellers could be. Okay, so there they are. Here's the first one. This is where we're going to try to meet these sellers in our prediction. So we're going to make this area into a pocket of selling. Kind of lets you know this is where you can offload your positions in this particular stock. And right up here to the all-time highs. So we're just going to try to target all-time highs for Civista Bank. That's where I really want to see this market to go. All right, so now we'll see what we have. First target It is $35.25 to like $35.60. 22.65% there. Next target is around the all-time high area, 37.83. Nobody is talking about this stock. That's what this channel is going to be for. We're going to give plays that we think is not getting a lot of attention, but it's also breaking out, also moving up. So again, make sure you guys subscribe because we don't chase stocks. We find them. Make sure you guys maintain profit. And as always, trade different.